take him fishing and he goes hunting for trolls.
Trolls exist. They steal your socks, but only the left ones. What's with that?
When I was a boy,
Oh, here we go.
my father told me to bang my head against a rock, and I did it. I thought it was crazy, but I didn't question him. And you know what happened?
You got a headache. You need to stop all this.
But you just pointed to all of me.
Yes, that's it. Stop being all of you.
Oh,
yeah.
You, sir, are playing a dangerous game. Keeping this much raw Vikingness contained. There will be consequences!
I'll take my chances.